What's up, guys? And we're back here with the second lesson of my React course. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys about parent to child components, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys how props work. So let's start off by straight getting into it. So the way props work is you have a child component. So header, main content, and footer are child components of the parent component app.js. And what happens is you have something that needs to get rendered in one of these components. Like in main content, I want to have, so I'm going to have props. We have to put that into the arguments area. And then we want hello props.name to get rendered. So we'll write props.name. Okay? And now what we need to do is, the entire point of having props is so you could pass in input into your child component from your parent component. So when we render main content, right here, we're going to type in name, because we decided to do props.name equals, and then we can decide what we want it to be. So let's say we want name to be, and I'm pretty sure you put a set of curly braces around that. Let's say we want it to be, I don't know, John. Let's test that now. Yep, hello John. There we go. And I'm pretty sure if we get rid of this, this is going to be incorrect because it's going to try searching for the variable of John. Yep, John is not defined, so we have to have the things right here. And we got to make sure this is uppercase. So this is how props work. You could pass in a boolean, a string, anything. And the really neat part about this is it allows your application, whatever you're making, to be more reactive, because you're constantly re-rendering, and you really just have a lot more freedom with your app when you have props. So yeah, this is a really short lesson today, and next we're going to be getting into our first mini app. We're going to be building a small to-do app, and what we're going to do is we're going to build this once, and as we learn more things throughout the course, we're going to be adding to it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.